In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully navigate the Wix platform in order to refund a transaction. Now, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need to sign into your Wix account. Access your site's dashboard. Within the dashboard, you'll notice a couple options: sales and payments. You will want to select one of these. It's within these sections that all your transactions can be found, making it the place to begin your search for the specific transaction you need to refund. You might need to sift through entries depending on your transaction activity, but with a bit of patience, you will find the one you're searching for. Upon locating the transaction you wish to refund, the next step is quite straightforward. You simply need to click on the transaction itself. This will lead you to a new window or tab that contains more detailed information about the transaction and the customer. From this point, look for the refund option. This is usually quite prominent, as it is an important function. When you select the refund option, you're almost at the finish line. A new screen will emerge, presenting you with a brief form to complete. This form will require you to input the amount to be refunded. Make sure to confirm the amount before proceeding, as mistakes in this area can lead to further complications. There's also an option to add a note. Although this step is optional, it can be very useful if you need to log the reason for the refund or leave a message for the customer. Detail in such areas can be beneficial for both you and your customer, as it provides clearer understanding of the refund process. Upon completing the necessary fields, it's time to confirm the refund. For refunds stemming from payments made through Wix Payments, you should note that it can take anywhere between 3 and 5 business days for the refund to be visible in the customer's account. Patience is key here, as the funds undergo necessary bank processing times. Finally, please remember, for transactions that were facilitated using third-party payment providers, you may need to carry out the refund directly in the provider's system. Wix does not control this process, but once initiated, the refund status will be updated automatically in your Wix dashboard, ensuring you stay informed of the progress. The whole refund process, although might look a bit daunting at the start, is pretty straightforward once you jump in and begin. Remember, the aim is to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience for both you and your customer.